In this video, I'll guide you through how to unlock your Capital One debit card. Whether you've accidentally locked it or are just getting back into using it, these steps will help you regain access quickly and easily. First, you'll want to start by opening the Capital One mobile app. If you haven't already, make sure you have the app installed on your smartphone. It's available on both iOS and Android platforms. Once you have the app open, log into your account using your credentials. This ensures that you're accessing the correct account and allows you to manage your debit card directly from your phone. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the home screen of the app. Here, you should see a list of your available accounts. What you need to do is select your debit card from this list. This will direct you to a page dedicated to your debit card details and settings. After selecting your debit card, look for the options that say View All or simply navigate into your card settings. This section of the app is where you can manage various aspects of your card, including locking and unlocking it. Now, keep an eye out for the option that says Lock or Unlock Card. This is the feature that allows you to change the status of your card. If your card is currently locked, you'll want to tap on Unlock Card. This action will restore full access to your card, enabling you to make transactions again as usual. Once you've tapped Unlock Card, the app will typically confirm that the action has been successful. You should receive a notification or a message on the screen indicating that your debit card is now unlocked and ready for use. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. That's how to unlock your Capital One debit card. With these straightforward steps, you can manage your card access directly from your mobile device, giving you peace of mind and control over your finances. So next time you need to unlock your card, just remember how easy and quick it is with the Capital One mobile app. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in getting you back on track with your card usage.